Day 56 of my weight loss journey. Workouts are going great. Getting a lot of sweats every day that I work out. Did not miss any day. Still doing walks every night for 2 km. Keeps me going is that my goal and my imagination. I'm so excited on what will happen on day 300 or day 100. I'm just looking forward on what will happen or what are the results if I just keep doing this every day and keep on adding on intensity. It's the number one thing that we should think about. And of course, for myself, I need to have a strong mental fortitude to remove any doubts that is creeping on my head. And I just need to think positive and think about the future. And of course, be consistent and don't give up. Even if you're tired, just do a little bit and then try again tomorrow. But the number one thing is don't give up. That's all that I can share for now. It's day 56. See you on day 57.